Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Closely AI in 2026. So imagine having an AI assistant that helps you during live meetings, interviews, or high-pressure conversations, giving you suggestions in real time while you're speaking. So that's what Closely AI is designed for. So, in this video, I'm going to break down what Closely AI is and how it works and how people are actually using it in 2026. So, again, Closely AI is real-time AI assistant that runs in the background during the live conversation. So, it listens to audio, analyzes the context, and gives instant suggestions like talking points, answers, or follow-up ideas while you're in online meetings so like Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, sales calls, job interviews, presentation. So think of it like a live AI co-pilot for communication. So instead of helping you after the conversation, it tries to assist you during the conversation itself. So it's often described as an invisible assistant because it works in the background while you focus on speaking. So, first thing that you are going to do is you have to connect it to your device. So, usually a desktop or laptop, then it uses. So, microphone input. So, you just have to search for Closely AI. So, you have to download the file for this one. Okay, so you just have to search for it, and then you have this Closely AI. So, you just have to tap on it. That's right. And then after that, you have this Get for Windows option. So all you have to do is to tap on that one and then you just have to install it. And once you're done, okay, so you just have to log in and then open the Closely AI. So it uses the microphone input to hear conversations, the screen context to understand what you're working on, and the AI models to generate responses. So as the conversation happens, it processes everything in real time and displays suggestions in a private interface only you can see. So for example, if someone asks you in an interview, tell me about their experience with the project management. So they clearly might show a structured answer format, key points from your resume, suggested raising confidence. Okay, so you have that right here. So we already have this one. So you just had to tap on the start Kaloli. So you just have to click on that option and then it will run now in the background. So important note is Kaloli does not replace your thinking. It acts more like a live prompt helper or assistant depending on how it's configured. Okay, so let me just turn it off and then let's go back here. Okay, so let's just go to our account. So let's go to the settings. So make sure that you already have your resume uploaded. Okay, so that AI could help you. And even though access may vary depending on your region or plan, the general setup process looks like this. So again, you just have to download the application, install the Closely on your Mac or Windows device, and you just have to grant permissions, allow the access to microphone and screen so it can understand the context. And you have to connect your use case, select what you're using it for, like interviews, sales calls, or meetings. And you just have to launch the assistant. Okay, so say for example, we are now starting our call, and then we just have to launch the Closely. Okay, so to launch it, you just have to tap on the start Closely. Okay, and then it can start your call or meeting while Closely runs in the background. And once it is active, it begins generating real time suggestions based on the conversation flow. Okay, so different users use Closely in different ways. So here are the common real world use cases. So if you're applying for a job, like job interviews, so people use it to structures the answers, especially for behavioral questions like star responses. So sales calls, sales reps use it for objections handling and the follow up suggestions during the client conversation. And for the business meetings, so it helps summarizes the key points, okay, and suggest responses when asked unexpected questions. And once you're done, of course, you'll be able to see here the summary, okay, the closely used cases overview. And for public speaking or your presentations, some users use it as a confidence aid for a structured talking points. But it is very important to understand that the effectiveness depends heavily on how you already understand your topic, because it is not magic, it is support. Okay, so of course, let's be honest, like AI, like any AI tool, Closely has strength and weaknesses. So for the pros, real-time assistance during conversation helps reduce the mental pressure and useful for structured thinking. And of course, it can improve the confidence in interviews or meetings. Now, for the limitations of using the Closely AI, it requires a strong internet and system stability. Responses may sometimes lag depending on your setup, and it is not perfect. It can generate generic suggestions, still developing compared to the traditional tools. So it works best as a support tool, not something you really going to depend your answers and your thinking. Now, one important thing that you need to keep in mind is that Closely AI should be used responsibly. That means that you can use it for learning and preparation, use it as a communication assistant, and then not rely on it to replace your actual skills. Okay, so let's go back here so you'd be able to see the summary, the transcript, okay, and your usage. So you'd be able to see that right here. Now, if you want to resume your session, just have to go here, and you also have the follow-up email right here at the top. Okay, so you have this option right here. So in order for you to turn on the undeductible feature of the Closely AI, you just have to toggle the switch on for this one, and you'll be able to see here your history, okay, the operation that you have done. Now, of course, the real value is improving how you think and respond, not removing the need to think. Okay, so now that you understand what it is, how it works, and how people are using it in real world situations. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.